Hey guys, today I'm back with more subscribers. Please subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't already. Today we're going to be looking at the Soundcore Flares by Anchor. And in the second half of the video, I'll have a pop-up right now that shows the time to skip to if you want to go watch that second part. I'll have it also linked in the description and the second part. Yeah, so first part, these. So they've got these little light up ring on the bottom. They just turn on like that. And then how it works is, so under, this is a little flap right here, and under you've got a charging and an audio jack. And then how it works is this connects to the phone, which then connects over here and receives, and you can have up to 100 of these connected to one phone. Really nice. These are really good as a stereo pair or even a boost pair if you put like 5 around the pool. It's got these lights, as you can see. Can shuffle through different modes, and then they like, and there's a bunch of different options, and you can do music, sync, and then there's this bass up feature, volume up, volume down, play, pause, forward, backward, so triple tap for back, double for forward. They automatically pair. You don't have to go into the settings. There's an app, but there's no reason to use it. I would like play some music, but most music on this earth is copyrighted. And so yeah. So there's those, and I've got this little carrying case with them. And so what this carrying case does is, as you can see, it's got this. It's soft material, insert for cords. And you only turn off one, and they both turn off. And then you just place it in, pack it up. It's hard, it's sturdy. It's not that much. And it's very nice. It zips up like that. It's got this little holder part. And you can put cords and stuff in here. And then you can connect them to an audio jack too, if you'd like to manually connect them to like your Mac or your PC or something. And then, so yeah, there's that. So if you were here just for this part, you can leave. Please subscribe, comment, watch the videos, hit the bell. If you're here for the second part, just stay. I'll start it in a second. Let me go put this back, and yeah, so what we're gonna want to do, move these out here, grab this and that. So you can see some nice planes, and I've got little stands. And so second part will commence right now. Hey guys, welcome back. If you watched the first part, thank you. If you're here for the second part, that's fine too. I wouldn't mind if you subscribed and hit the bell. So what we have here is both of these you can put wheels on. I only have wheels on this one doesn't. This is a Boeing 747-8 intercontinental airplane model by Boeing. As you can see, you've got the top row with the window, with the door. Bottom row, see row 1 is in front of the pilot, all the way up to like row 6. Here's the cockpit. You can see it says Intercontinental. You've got 6 doors on each side. On the bottom 5, on the top 1, same on the other side. And then, yeah, and then back here you can see baggage area, little entry below. On this side you don't have that. And then these wheels, if you blow into it, the engine moves. 4 engines. And then I had to assemble it. You can see the wings curve. And so there's that. It's got G engine they basically touch the ground, but they don't. And then on this one, this is an older model, so as you can see, the wings don't curve, they're flat, different engines. This was the older model of the Boeing 747, but it's still a 747, but this is the Dreamlifter. So you can see they only have this front row of seats, like they had up here at the front. And then, as you can see, they've taken out the rest, and so on the real plane, this opens, and they can put stuff in here to transport materials for new planes. And then I could have put the wheels here, here, and there, but I chose not to. As you can see, this one just has, or no, never mind, it has more slots, sorry. And then what you can do is, so I've got this little, here's for the 747-8, and what you do, slide the plane on, and now it's on a stand. Here's for the 747 LCF, or the Dreamlifter. Here's that. Just slides on, points up. And so there are those, and then let me go get one more. So this is one of the first generation 747s. Here, let me remove these. And then, so this is one of the first generations. As you can see, it's like a model antique. One of the engines is missing. These engines do not turn. It's got this little stand to adjust the way it sits. This was Pan Am, which, as you know, has gone out of business. It's Boeing. It's got the little number there. So as you can see, it does have the same amount of doors, but there's only 3 windows at the top. In here, it's a lot more spaced out, which is in here, it's spaced out too, but they really spaced this one out more. And so, yeah, and then you've got still the same seats in front. These wings do not turn, so this one's more like this. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Leave a comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and yeah. All right, see ya.